didn't work out too well. So I have started to write a speech some 5 months ago when Phil told me that he was getting married, and I asked him when, and he said February, and I said what year? And he said next year. And we had the wedding planned within the trip from Port Macquarie to Taree. I'm a bit as an organiser. Not just stand over here. 23 years ago, when my dad was cleaning the pool, I walked outside and said, "Dad, I'm pregnant again." His reply was, "Oh, twice the fun." Exact words. He said, "What should we call him?" I asked my dad. And I said, "Ethan for a boy, or Joshua maybe." And he said, "No, you're going to call him Joel so I can call him Joey." So there it was. That was the moment that your grandfather decided on what your name would be. I think I was all of 6 weeks pregnant. Joel's grandfather was affectionately known to Cody and Joel as Dada. He was the first person to come to hospital back in the day with no mobiles, and it cost 30 cents to make a phone call. So my mum went into the public phone and called him, and I swear he must have been in the parking lot because he was in the labour ward within 5 minutes. And he picked up his second grandson and he said, "He's a beauty, yep, he'll do." Joel, your grandfather couldn't have loved you any more than he did. You were dressed in nothing but the best clothes. You had to go with him everywhere. But he had to come with me to decide what preschool you went to, and it was him who decided what school you went to, and kindly paid the private tuition fees. To him, you and your brother Cope were his universe. I was just a sniff in the wind. Being a grandparent was the world to him, and to Mama as well, and you were his world. Until his last breath, everything from the second you took your first breath was all about you and Cody. He even made me take you out of preschool when I started university, so him and Mama could look after you, because no one could look after you better than what they could. From that moment, you came home. Dada's job was to nurse you after dinner until you fell asleep. You were never just put to bed. You had to be nursed, and that was his job. Your grandmother, as you affectionately call her, Mama, was there for every antenatal visit, every ultrasound, for your birth, and even cut the cord. Your tiny little digits held onto the oxygen masks, and you were adorable. You certainly were ready to make your mark on the world, arriving in a record time of 69 minutes, something that you're still very proud of. I'm still in shock, ask me. Joel has always been so proud of his family. Like that one time he went to school and told his teachers he has 5 dads. Or when he meant uncles, okay? We'll just get that clear. He meant uncles. Or when he told them that he was going to be a big brother when he wasn't. Joel was a hands-on child as a little boy. He tried his hands at mechanics at 4. It only got further than covering himself head to toe in the engine oil, and the garage wall, and the car, and everything in the garage. His tiny little footprints are forever embedded in that house, into the cement of the garage. Hundreds of mini human footprints, like a stampede, had just taken place by a group of hyperactive 4-year-olds. But no, it was just Joel trying to get a tennis ball and was distracted by a bucket of oil. Joel has the best laugh, a really deep belly laugh, especially when he's laughing at something unfortunate. I'm not going to mention any of the times we've laughed together. Cheyenne, you came into our lives last June, a young timid girl who spoke so softly and so shy. That didn't last long with us. Before too long, you were burping and farting like the rest of us. Yeah, like last week. Remember that one in the car? We encourage you to be yourself and grow you have. I cannot say into words how much you mean to us, to me, Steve, Josh, Andrew, especially your little sister-in-law, Samantha, and Savannah. We deeply love you. We'll do anything for you, even hide the body. I totally would. You have embraced being a partner to my son, bringing out the best in him, teaching him to love openly and express himself, because let's be honest, it's not his strongest point. But when he does, you know it's pure, deep love above no other. So, some words from your mother-in-law and your mum. Be kind to each other. Don't hold each other back. Instead, embrace each other's hopes and dreams. Don't go to sleep in an argument. Communicate. If anything is wrong, then talk to each other about it. Don't let the other guess what's wrong. Most of all, love each other. Life sucks sometimes. Roll with it. Do it together. You are a team now, with all of us as your cheerleaders. We love you. Yeah.